How to use pebbles, rocks, to share joy with others. We know we use rocks in everyday life, from construction to medicine to the production of gas. The minerals in rocks are used to build things. Minerals are vital to health. When the Pebble Ministry gives you rocks, you take them. The pebbles may read, love, life, happy, hope, joy. These messages will empower you and someone else when you pay it forward and give them pebbles with a message. Joyce Simmons started Pebbles Ministry Incorporated, a nonprofit organization, in 2014. The mission to love our neighbors by giving pebbles in your hands, love in your heart. His inspiration came about while working on a mountaintop. He wrote on a large rock, "My mountain of peace." He heard a voice say, "Share it," and that is just what he did. Pebbles mean a great deal to the earth and our environment. They mean even more when you share them with love and joy.